Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Let me show you some of the most amazing smelling soap. This is by Sulina shop, and this is the Ylang Ylang Orange scent. No idea what Ylang Ylang is, but it smells phenomenal. This stuff has a really pleasant orangey, citrusy, florally smell. Not only does it smell great, but I really appreciate how well it lathers up. We have hard water and it is hard to get anything to lather. I was really impressed with how many bubbles I could get going, whether I used a washcloth, a loofah, or even if I just use it to wash my hands. The fragrances are made from essential oils, and I really like that because I don't have to worry about it breaking out my skin. It comes in this beautiful box that looks really great on the shelf in my bathroom, but it would also make a great gift. So it comes as a 4-pack, and each bar is individually wrapped, so you can use it as one big gift for a friend, or you can wrap each individual bar and then you have a nice set of 4 gifts. It also has ground apricot seeds in it, so it's a really good exfoliating bar. I used it to shave my legs and my legs were so smooth. Really impressed. If you are looking for some new soap that smells good, or for a friend you want to give them a really nice gift that you know they'll use, this is perfect. But that's just my point of view.